Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back today with a new cut file layout for the Hip Kit Club design team. To make this page, I used the December 2021 kits. To begin with, I cut the exclusive Happy Holidays cut file from November 2021 into two different pattern paper, Winter Cabin and Night Sky. For the word happy, I keep only the letters, and for the word holidays, I keep only the outline. So I then coat a white cardstock with clear gesso to prepare it for mixed media. When everything is dry, I add distress stain chipped sapphire ink with the help of a piece of rhodoid and make a diamond-shaped area. I apply the ink roughly so as not to have something perfect. On the contrary, this technique is very simple and quick to do. So, with a wet brush, I make splashes on the whole area to create lighter stains, and I also splash ink everywhere. Once everything is dry, I add snowflake patterns with the exclusive stencil from the color kit and the Nouveau Glacial Past Winter White of the color kit too. So I apply this pattern directly on the area by protruding slightly. With this past, I just want to add a little pattern, texture and shine. But once dry, this past is a little too bright for me, so I apply over gesso with a brush by making circular movements without pressing too much, just by touching the patterns so as not to cover everything either. I then prepare the photo and just add a piece of crumpled tracing paper underneath and cardboard for the volume. I then add 3D form under the letters happy, and I distress the edges to fit all these little in tatters because I love it. For this word to stand out well from my page, I had to find a pretty dark color underneath, and this blue is just perfect for that, and it matches well with the color of my son's jacket in the photo. So I glue these letters together by overlapping and shifting them to create a nicer visual effect that I really like. I glue the photo and the letters just below. I then complete this word with the other cut holidays and I start decorating the whole thing with little things of blue-gray color from the main kit or the Pocket Life kit. I place these cute little die-cut trees on either side of the photo. I complete the title with the die-cuts Winter Adventures and the Magical Moments. I glue them with 3D foam to add value, and I also add the die-cut Picture Perfect and the mini chipboard Wonderful. Then I glue it all together. I removed the holidays cut because I thought we didn't see it enough and I replaced it with the puffy alphabet stickers. I then add the puffy stickers Wonderland at the top of the photo, as well as stickers under the photo, another puffy stickers tree to the right of the photo, a chipboard heart and bird, and also chipboard corners, and chipboard phrases and heart here. So I add a grey snowflake puffy stickers cut in half to have a part at the top and bottom of my layouts. And I finish this layout with the gesso splashes diluted with a little water. And here is the result a little closer. I hope I have inspired you today with this winter layout. I really like this icy and sparkling background. That's really what I had in mind, and I'm glad I realized it. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I wish you a great creative day. See you soon.